Hello, friends. Welcome to Dalian West Shore International Trade Company. So we are not only a trading company but also a manufacturer for over 16 years, and our factories are located in Dalian. So all these parts are our factories, and we mainly produce the keys wooden products, especially for the preschool furnitures and the preschool educational toys, and also the gym products for kids. So if you are looking for the kids products, you can come to us. Thank you for your attention, and then we are going to introduce you about how our factory works, how the products are made, and how the products are packaged and then delivered to your country. Thank you.